Hi, friends. Welcome back to Museful Creations. Today I'm combining prompt E and prompt F from the hashtag ABC April 2025 challenge. And let me tell you, this one's got it all. We're diving into nostalgic mini junk journal used with paper I've had for over 15 years, plus a fun Dollar Tree cling on the cover. Inside, it is packed with ephemera, embellishments, envelopes, and even a belly band that slides right into the page. Then, for prompt F, we're going bold with an idea I'm calling Ephemera Unhinged, a swivel flip out with tons of movement, texture, and visual interest. Let's jump in. I started folding this vintage scrapbook into a hinge that I made from just regular cardstock, and this is a file tab type folder. And what I did is I used a Dollar Tree window cling butterfly on this flip, as you can see there. And I also added tea stained paper. And I also included a couple of envelopes that will hold couple of writing spots, as you see here. And this is also vintage scrapbook paper that I cut, make a little tuck spot. Here is another envelope that I used to make a little spot. And right here is another tuck spot, if you will. There's another one in the middle. Did one there, but I want to show you back page here. I did create a little tuck spot there, pocket, another one here, another belly band here, and this is where it will slide into the journal page. Here's another spot to, and there you have it. And of course, here's the embellishment, and I did use some uh, holo- holographic embossing powder, and I love that shine on the B. Then I stamped originality is simple, a pair simple, a pair of fresh eyes. And there you have it. This will then fit nicely right here. So sure. And that there is prompt E. And now I will show you the details on how we will create prompt. That'll be. Let me show you how to turn something as simple as wall cling stickers into a focal point, or you can also download my freebie, Ephemera Unhinged. It's gorgeous, grungy digital if you don't have these jumbo wall stickers in hand. You're going to cut your digital or cardstock of choice, 6 by 6. Again, these two digitals are part of the Ephemera Unhinged. So I'm going to I've already started this. Cut your, as I said, 6 by 6. I'm going to move this aside. You will need your bone folder. I think it's important for this project. I will be right back. Also, before we start the fold, you might want to, if you are into distressing like I am, you might want to do the distressing now. But here we go. We're going to take our 6 by 6 and we're going to make a triangle like so. You want to try to make it as even as possible, but don't sweat it if, it's not completely perfect. And then you're going to open your square and let me put my glasses on so I can see. Then you're going to bring one corner of your square to the middle and you're going to fold and you're going to do it again. Make sure that I'm in frame here. I had worked on this prototype back in, I want to say January and February, and completely forgot about it. And then going through my stuff the other day, I said, oh my gosh, this will be perfect for F. So it's like you're kind of making an envelope if you. So you're going to go like so, and then going to move your triangle, move it so that it looks like a kite, okay? And then you're going to bring, no matter which end, you're going to bring it up. You're going to fold it like so, and then you're going to turn it and bring the other corner to the center there. You're going to fold it. That's why you need your bone folder. And I did print this on 32 uh, pound or weight cardstock. You could use lighter weight, but I prefer the 32. You could do 27. I wouldn't do any less. And I'm using presentation matte paper. So there you have it. This is the flip out um, kind of mechanism that I created for F. And now what we're going to do is put it together. Okay, I'm back. So here's what I did. I put it through the back. I'm going to flatten my brad, and then I want to put my little journaling card inside, and then I want to stamp, and I'm using, this is foam. I want to move this to the side here to, I'm actually going to take this out because I don't want to get my stamp on here. I want it on the flip out. Then I want to stamp, so it's pretty postage script. That gives me some stability on the bottom. So there you have it. Is that not cool? I absolutely love that vintage effect. So wish me luck. I'm gonna try to put this in and not and then I'll pause. There we go. So we're going to put it like that. And then what I want to do is move this like so. And now I want to kind of do the layout so that when I move flip out, it covers this cute little layout in the back that I'm creating. See what I mean? Just like so. Then I want to move this back here and ensure, yep, that way it covers the label and the butterfly. So what I like to do is make a little dot right there. That way I know where to put it, and I'm going to make a little dot right here, that I can put that there. My butterfly will go right there. Okay? Easy lemon squeeze. So I'm going to add my one glue. My black marker is right there. So I'm going to do this and going to put glue on the label here so that it's then on the butterfly. I want it right there. And then I'm going to put glue on the butterfly that will hold the mechanism about little corners here, like so. And it's going to be, it needs a little bit to dry, but I think you get what I'm trying to do. Okay? But is that not cool? So then when you open that up, it has the review, you feel the little card, and I'm gonna close. And you've got two pockets. These are also part of the ephemera kit. And then I did, just to show you something, I did make a little pocket in the back to hold these. And There you have it. Is that not cool? So this is truly my favorite part. I created this interactive swivel flip out using ephemera, a hinged element, and the colors tie in beautifully to this motif. And what a great way to repurpose your scraps or those Dollar Tree stickers and give it something totally fresh and unexpected. So, right here, as you can see, this is a part of the freebie that I designed to go with today's project, and you can grab it over on my Ko-fi page. It's linked in the description box below. So, let me know what you'd use the swivel flip out idea for tags, tuck spots, journal inserts. Thanks so much for watching and crafting along. If you enjoyed this double prompt adventure, don't forget to hit the like, comment your favorite part, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. See you for the next letter in the hashtag ABC April 2025 challenge. Stay inspired, keep creating.